for black chana gravy. How to prepare? This is all prepared one day only. It will take hard work. So guys, please share, like, subscribe, and you can try it once. Really, it was very tasty. This is a black chana. In our side, they will give in temple. You can see the chana as a prasadam they will give. So I prepared as a gravy kind of. People used to use white chana, but I tried with the black chana. Take a kadai, use oil, use all the masalas like jeera, chilies, garlic. Keep in oil, saute it properly. Keep curry leaves, and closing immediately because the oil will come out and it will destroy my camera. It has happened a lot of times, so I started closing this. So you can also use the same trick if you don't want to destroy your costly mobiles. So add onion. This is a square cube cut onion. You can add it, saute it well. This, try it guys. This chana gravy is really awesome. Instead of using white chana, you can use black chana, which is the full of protein and healthy. I have added the bay leaf, red chilies, lavang, means clove. All I have added. With that, I have added the tomatoes. Tomatoes will obviously, it will give little bit tasty. It will be like sour taste. Mix it well. You can see the tomatoes are cooked. Add 1 teaspoon, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, half small spoon turmeric, and 2 small spoons red chili powder. For the color purpose, I used to use Kashmiri lal, and tamarind water, which you have to keep tamarind before only. And this is a black chana which I have cooked already before only, because night you have to soak into the water, and morning you can cook it. You can prepare the gravy. You have to soak it first. It will take time. So night I have kept in water. Morning I have cooked in cooker with 7-8 vessels, and then I removed water and smashed it. And I kept water separately and this smashed black chana separately. Now I have added black chana. With that I have added the water whichever I have cooked. Don't throw that water. That is a very healthy. So almost it is ready. Add coriander. You can see the guide. The taste is very awesome. You can eat with puri, chapati. You can eat